Friends, so today we're gonna discuss the problem from Codeforces round 633, problem A, filling diamonds. So this is a problem in which you just have to draw these figures to become more clear. So you are given an integer n and you have to calculate how many ways are there to fully cover this belt of area like this. So you are given diamonds. Diamond is a shape like this. There are two triangles and you have to form how many like belts you can form. So you can leave this statement. If you see the example, it will become more clear. So this is a belt of n equal to 1, n equal to 2. So how this is changed, you have to take one more diamond aside of this and the belt decreases. Okay, so for n equal to 3, take 3 diamonds side by side, and for 4 there are 4 diamonds side by side. So now you have to find out how many possible ways are there to form these belts. Okay, so in how many ways you can place a diamond. So I'll take it on to the example to make it more clear. So this is the second diamond belt. Okay, and if there is one diamond belt, there is only one way. So you can assume that you have a lot number of diamonds. Okay, so you assume you have diamond cuttings with you, and you have to form this figure. So what you can do to form this figure, you can place one diamond like this, one diamond like this, one diamond like this, and this figure will form. Or else what you can do, you can place one diamond like this. So what we have done, why this is different? This is different because in the first example you have taken in this configuration, this first diamond is covered. But in the second case, this diamond is not covered, only a part of this diamond is covered. And the second diamond is covered. And so on. And in the first case, only the full diamond is covered. If you draw this out more, then for the third case, so I have drawn this, sorry for my poor drawing, but this is the third case. Okay, so this is the diamond. So let's assume, which we have seen, you can either take the first diamond as a whole, or you cannot take the first diamond as a whole. If you take the first diamond as a whole, this is the first diamond, I am just covering it. If you fill the first diamond, then the other diamonds will automatically fix its place, because if you like assume that you are filling this diamond like this, then you have to place the other diamond in this position. This is the next diamond, this is the next diamond, and this is the next diamond. Okay, I hope you understand these two, these two, these two, and these two. But let's assume you are not filling this diamond like this, but you are filling the diamond like this. So if you are filling this diamond like this, you can fill the diamond like this. Now you have one option, you can fill this diamond like this, and then this is fixed. You can fill the diamond like this and like this. But if you don't fill it like this, you can either fill it like this, and then you have to fill it like this. So you can observe that in all the three cases, we have to take this diamond, all these three diamonds as a whole in every case, as you can see. In the third case, we have to take this diagonal as a vertical diamond, and although they are horizontal diamonds. In this case, you can either take this as a vertical diamond and then all the other horizontal diamonds. In the first case also, you can either take this as a vertical diamond and then all the other horizontal diamonds. Okay, so I hope you understand the logic part. As you can see in the first example also, you have to take one as a vertical diamond and other as a horizontal diamond. So that's the whole trick. So how many possible variations are there? It's just n, because for every belt of length n, there are n possible ways, because you can choose whether this diamond as a vertical and no other diamond is vertical. You can choose this diamond as a vertical and no other diamond as vertical. So you have 3 options. Okay, so there are 3 configurations. In this there are 4 configurations. So for every question, you have to just find out how many configurations are there. So the code is also very simple. It's just nothing. You just have to take the input of n and just output n, because for every size of belt of length 1, there is only one vertical diamond. In this there are 2 vertical diamonds, and so on. I hope you understand the logic. If you still have any doubts, please mention now. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Keep coding. Bye.